at Disneyland again. Yes, and we're here for the last like weekend for the 60th anniversary. So yeah, we just want to show the castle, and the diamonds are gonna be gone soon. I'm so sad. And then the paint the night parade is gonna be gone too. So we'll just show you guys what we do today. It's just me and Chelsea today too. So it's gonna be good. Okay, so right now we're being common white girls and we're getting Starbucks before we do anything at Disneyland, obviously. So. Starbucks. Yeah, I'm gonna get the mug. I want to buy it. That's so cute. And look at the little ornament. Anyways, but I'm getting the strawberry acai refresher and Sunny's getting the pink drink. Basically the same thing but with coconut milk. I'll see you what we do next. Okay, here's our drinks from Starbucks. Strawberry acai refresher with coconut milk. The strawberry acai refresher. So good. Okay, we're probably gonna go on that like Main Street car where it's like a double decker, so we'll see you probably on that. Okay, right now we're looking at the mugs. I really want these, like the teacups. You wanna know what mug I want? What? I actually really want that cup. They remind me of my childhood drinking tea out of that. $8. I used to drink tea out of that.
No, I want this. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at that. So cute. No, I know what I want. I want that cloth.
Oh no, I want this. Wait,
yeah,
is it
this
plastic?
one.
No, this one's plastic.
They
sell actual ones.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, it's right there.
Be careful.
Oh my god, here, I'll take it off and show it. You guys, this is literally so cute. Like, his nose is a little spot.
Show the face.
And then look at that. Oh, look, his little chip. I mean, it's not an actual chip. How much is it? $21. Gotta save my money.
I really want to get this Halloween mug. They're already starting to put Halloween stuff in here. Look, I want this mug. That looks really cool. And look at these plates. Oh my god, imagine. Oh, actually, I want that frame. Oh look, this one's cute. That one's actually really cute. It has like all the stuff around it. So is that Ariel one.
How much it is. Does it say? No.
That's cute. Oh, this one's really cute. Look at those little tiny Mickeys. Okay, I'm trying to look for these ears though. The ones that I have, because they like sold, like, my bad. They brought them in last time and they sold out like so fast. And Chelsea was trying to look for them last weekend. And I want to see if they still have some this weekend. So yeah, but I like these ears I have. I'm going to go into the Mad Hatter to see if they have these ears also. I'll see you guys then. Okay, so Sydney found the ears for our little sister that's gonna get the same outfit. They got some more in. Yeah, look at. They got some more purple ones. They're like the red ones, but purple. They're really cute. They have like a lot of new ears right now. I think they're like trying to like see what ears. Like these ones that I'm wearing, there's like they have those are new from last weekend. So yeah, you're gonna get them Sid for her? Yeah. Okay, so right now we're on the carousel. We're probably gonna put this in our intro, so yeah. And it's probably gonna take a while to go, but we'll see. Okay, so right now we're in line for Big Thunder Mountain, and it's a 20-minute wait, so yes. We were gonna go on the double-decker bus, but we couldn't because it's like disappeared. But yeah, we're gonna get on this ride. It's gonna be fun, and I might record a little bit of it because like all our vlogs have like this ride in it, like the whole ride. We literally go on this ride every time we come. I know. But this line's moving so fast, you guys. And you guys, today the temperature is so good. It's like 75 degrees. How perfect is that to come to Disneyland when it's 75 degrees? I know. Okay, so I'll show a little bit of this ride, and then after this, what are we gonna do? We're gonna try Monte Cristos. Oh yeah, for the first time. That's because of the shade. Sorry. But we're gonna try Monte Cristo for the very first time. So we're gonna go see how it is after that. I don't know what restaurant it's called. I'll tell you what restaurant it is that we're gonna get it. But I'm so excited, and we'll see you on the ride and in there. So let's get it. Woo! I think you can see it. Woo! Oh my god! It's gonna lose our lap bar! Oh shit! Woo! That ain't a good shot. Oh yeah.
Okay, so right now, instead of getting the Monte Cristo because you have to get like reservations or whatever and they're not taking walk-ins, me and Sydney are gonna eat there at what time?
3:30.
At 3:30. So we'll try it then. But for now, to hold us over, we got some chimichangas. Mine's is in there. Looks so good. Okay. But yeah. This will soon be gone. Okay. But so we're gonna eat this because we're starving, and we also got water. I accidentally dropped 2 waters on the floor, but the guy's cleaning it up, and I feel really bad. But we'll see after we eat these, and I don't know what we're gonna do after this, so we'll see.
Hi guys, we're at Cafe Orleans and there's Chelsea. Anyways, we're at Cafe Orleans and we got these pommes frites or something. I don't know how to say it.
Yeah, it's really good. The fries are like decent, but then that's what makes it all good.
Yeah, it's like basically garlic fries with like a Cajun like dip thing.
Yeah, it's good. And then we just got waters and stuff.
And our Monte Cristo should be coming soon. We're gonna try it for the first time.
Yeah. We're actually sharing the Monte Cristo because it's pretty big and we're not like that hungry, but hopefully it's good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Okay, so we'll see you when we get the Monte Cristo.
Okay, you guys, we got a Monte Cristo and we're gonna try it for the first time here.
Yeah, look, it looks so good. We split it. Sydney's plate looks better because it's smaller and fits better. But yeah, and we also got those fries, which we already showed you.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, so we're gonna Sydney try it. Try it. I haven't tried it.
I'm scared. Should I try it with the jam or whatever that is?
Yeah, try it with the jam first. Try it. Dang! I'm just kidding. Is it good? It's good? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna try it and then I'll tell you guys how it is after since I don't want to get my camera dirty. But yes, we'll see you when we're done and I'll tell you how I like it. Okay, so I told you guys how I would like the Monte Cristo. I would tell you how I liked it. Cristo. It was so good. Town 10 would get again. Oh, you like it? Yeah. So right now we're gonna be getting on Raider Spring Racers. We have fast passes. For 420. But I'm gonna record on there. It's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna tie my hair back though because my hair gets like really tangled. But I have to put the camera away right now because there's like misters and I don't need to get it wet. This camera's expensive. Okay, go. Peace. Okay, so we're on Raider Spring Racers. I tie my hair back. Me too. I'm not a boy, by the way. Just kidding.
Now you look like a real
We lost! I know. But that was fun, so we'll see you on whatever we do next. Okay, so we're gonna find our picture. Where are we? Okay. Oh, look. Look there, I'm vlogging. Sunny, you need to chill. Oh my god. Okay, I already changed, so we're gonna go. I don't know what we're gonna do next. We're probably gonna go to the Drawing Academy. Listen,
Oh, it's hard hair.
true, but I don't know how long it waits for that. Okay, gotta stop vlogging before I fall down these flight of stairs. Okay, so right now we're going to do the Drawing Academy.
And this, we're just like looking at all this stuff in here.
Yeah, it's so cool in here, you guys. Look. It's so cool. But yeah, that's Remy on Elsa. That's Turtle Taco Crush. Sorcerer's Workshop something. I don't know what that is. I don't even think that's it. And we're doing this Animation Academy. Woo! Okay, so we'll see what we draw and we'll show you our drawings after or during it. I don't know. We'll see.
Okay, you guys, we're done with the Drawing Academy. Chelsea, tell them what happened.
Well, first off, there's no erasers, so
No eraser. I cannot draw without an eraser.
yeah. Oh my god.
So this is our best attempt at like no erasers and like 2-second drawing, huh? It was
Yeah,
so
it was so
fast.
fast. And I didn't know we were gonna like, I didn't know we had no erasers, so I was like drawing kind of dark, but here's ours. We can see it.
Oh shoot.
There's Sydney's. And there's mine. Mine's just really dark. Cause I'm just like a natural dark drawer. There's Sydney's. I think they came out decent. How about you?
At first I was like, oh hell no. And then they came out all right.
I know. Teach you how to draw in there. It just draws like in 2.2 seconds. So we're probably gonna go to Turtle Talk with Crush right now because we already have like nothing else to do. But look, oh look, it's right there. It's so cool. Okay, we're gonna go now. So right now, we are on the Red Trolley in California Adventures. Sydney didn't want to go on it. I want to go on it. Look.
Alrighty everyone, hello and good afternoon.
Oh, it's so
Welcome aboard the Red
cool.
Car Trolley. My name is Stephanie, I'm going to be your conductor aboard this line.
People running across the tracks. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see people run across the tracks, that's why. Okay. I'll see you when we get closer to the front.
And he's going to be
As Walt Disney said, Disneyland will never be complete. And as the future will show us, with enough imagination, it will continue to build and grow on one enduring promise. That all who journey into its magical gates will feel forever young. And the magic, as Walt assured us, will never end. think. All of this is yours. Forever. Come on and live the magic.
Like, 1,000 A+ for me. Oh my gosh, seriously? That's like the best flower show ever. I know. My arm's really tired, so I can talk to you guys later. We'll probably go. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do next, so we'll see. Okay, you guys, we're done at Disney. And this is the last weekend for the Disney anniversary that we're gonna be here, so I took a ton of pictures of the castle. It's so beautiful, and we're so sad. The 60th anniversary is ending. Yeah, so tear. And let me show the castle one more time before the camera dies. Yeah. So beautiful. It's so majestic. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, see you next vlog.